So I've dug up all my potatoes. I didn't get a huge amount of potatoes, but you know, I got a decent amount. And now I want to plant my lettuce. We did get a decent amount of rain, which was fantastic. We've got bib lettuce, and we've got a mesclun mix. Just going to do a sprinkle around, since there's a variety of lettuces in here. And then bib lettuce. I don't think I've ever had bib lettuce before. I think I'm just going to do this way. I don't need to plant all these, so. Direct sowing too, so I'm really going to have to make sure we water these good. To kind of cover it up a little bit, don't I? I wonder if I can cover this with burlap like I do when I start my carrots. Stupid mice have been chewing it up. I don't know why they like burlap so much. Look at that. Chipped a whole chunk out of there. Yeah, I think I'm going to take time and cut that seam open. Okay, opening burlap is not as simple as it sounds. It's just easier to cut the seams. Or don't cut the seams, cut the this one's got holes over here, so we're going to cut this way too. Hi, Cutter. How you doing, bud? Do you smell mice on this burlap? I bet you do. That was way more work than it should have been, but getting fantastic coverage now. So with this one on the bottom too, because it's got lots of holes in it from the mice. Over the middle. And this burlap helps keep the moisture in, keeps the ground a little bit cooler, which is what lettuce likes. So we're going to check this every day. Until it germinates, and then we're just going to pull this off, same as we did with the carrots. Just want to grab some stuff for a tomato and basil salad tonight. These nice, really ripe ones off here. And some basil. Get 2 of those, I think. Right here. And some chives. I just planted these not that long ago, and they sure don't take long to get big. And a green pepper. This plant is, I'm gonna take these too. They're like fused together. Oh, they are. They're actually one pepper split into 2. Huh. Can't say I've ever seen that before. But that's going in for our salad as well. Let's get a little fresh thyme too. That might be good. So good. We don't need too much, so that's probably good. A couple sprigs of parsley as well. Jeff got his e-bike, and now we know we love it, so we got one for myself. Jeff's bike is too big for me, so we had to get a different kind of bike. But I'm ready to pull it out of the box. different than yours. This is like an endless.
Just set that in there, so that's easy peasy.
Yeah, yours at least had some air in them. Is there something else on?
No, it's just you're not pulling the brakes, are you?
I'm not doing anything, babe.
Maybe it was just stuck in a shipping position or something.
Oh, now it's open.
Yeah, it's free now, but now
Good,
we
good.
gotta adjust them. All right.
Cutter, what's happening, huh? What is happening? There.
It looks so small.
It does. Well, the tires are so tiny compared to yours.
Yeah.
So Jeff has 26-inch tires on his. I have 20-inch because on Jeff's bike, I can't stand here because the crossbar is a little too comfy with my situation. Funny looking thing. It reminds me of like a little dirt bike or something. But yeah, battery is charging and we're gonna get out and give it a try tonight, hopefully. Cutter's excited. Yep, we're gonna go out for a little ride tonight.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
So, it's time to fix the Broil King. It's hurting. You can look at it. It's just rotten, and everything down there is rotten, and so we're gonna rejuvenate it. Yeah, we're just gonna take this apart, and then I've got all the new Broil King parts sitting over here. New burners, thing to hold the burners, flavor waves, dividers. Oh, here, I'll show you the new ones. There's the old ones.
Ooh. Yeah.
Here's the old one. Here's the new one.
Ooh, shiny.
Well, yeah, that one's pretty bad.
Oh yeah.
I
Those
think-
aren't terrible, are they?
No, they're not, but they're,
Oh yeah.
I guess,
They are terrible.
I need a wire brush and a scraper and a shop vac, I guess, so.
Holy, look at this.
Oh yeah, that's
the-
this thing, I hope,
That's the
yeah.
sparker.
This is, yeah, this is, oh, I don't know how that's gonna work. They come up through there, I guess, eh?
Yeah, it seems pretty rough.
Yeah, hopefully we can get it all apart. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna go get a hammer and a chisel and see if I can clean up around the edges of it and then grab it with the vice grips.
So let's look a closer look at this. We don't know what's going to happen here. What the new ones look like, so
I'm going to do this in order in case they're different. Are you filming?
mm-hmm.
Guess that can use a cleaning too. Yeah, I guess. We could take this front cover off, I guess, eh? Oh, get these off, like so. Don't want to. Nah, I wouldn't mess with them. If we can just hang it somehow. Nope. Well, maybe we can just let go.
Hang it on the open door.
There. There, that's pretty simple.
Yeah, and that connects to the tank.
I guess they come out this way.
I bet you it doesn't. There's up there.
I don't think so. So we just tried to put a new one in. The new one's, the hole is smaller. Where this got to go on, I'll just show you quick. This here won't go on. Put the old one in there for a second. And it goes right over top. So the solution is we swap these out. Hopefully that'll work. Uh-oh. Issue number 2. Oh, no.
Oh, there it goes. Nice.
We'll use the new screw.
That fit nicely. So this, just taking this piece off. And the rest stays intact. This is in remarkably good shape still, isn't it?
Yeah, you would think this is a new one, isn't it? But it's not. Make sure that new screw doesn't go under the deck. That's just right. Look at that! Okay, look at this thing. It just sits there on top and the burners hold it in place. Look at that thing, crusty. Yeah, it's all cast aluminum, so I mean it's good. Warming rack, well, everything's good, right? Now we're just replacing all the stainless stuff and get another 8 or 10 years out of it, hopefully.
10 years anyway we've had this thing.
Yeah. We are eliminating the rotisserie holder because we don't use it. We don't even have a rotisserie for it. So.
We used to. We do not anymore.
There it goes. That one's in.
Reassembly. I can hold it from underneath.
I guess we gotta insert screws on this. I mean, that's the stop, right? I didn't pay much attention how they
I
came off.
didn't either.
You got your little, is that screw lined up like that?
Mm-hmm.
How'd that come to be? Looks some hair off. Uh-oh. You can hear sparking down there and
That doesn't sound right, does it?
not here. Put your finger there for a minute, babe.
No,
Come on.
I will not do it. I
All
will
right.
look underneath
Okay.
here, though. All right. We messed up. We forgot to put this thing in. The burners are supposed to go through here. So now we just have to take apart everything we just did. It's a little more difficult this time. Takes a little more
There. Well, it
finesse.
wasn't too bad.
No. They're up all the way?
Yep.
Okay.
There. Screw up fixed.
Alright, now we put this back together again. You want
Yeah.
to check out that sparker wall before we,
Oh, I hear
Oh,
it now.
now they're in there.
Just had to ground to something probably.
Oh, that could be, yep.
Okay, before we start putting the flavor waves and all that stuff in, we're just going to see if the burners are going to work. We've got this new, the gas goes in here. This is where the igniters go, so the gas goes in here and lights all three. So we'll give it a shot. Whoa.
Put some air in it, I'm guessing.
No, I hope.
I'm gonna back up a little bit. Where's my zoom?
I would say so.
Yeah, I would say so too. Do you want me to go down from underneath? Should be able to reach them without taking the whole thing
Oh, you
apart.
think so? Can
No.
you reach the screws? I didn't think so.
No, you gotta take it apart again. Well, dang. Well, at least, like you said, we didn't put the whole thing together before we discovered this.
Mm-hmm. Should be doing the center one.
Yeah, that's the one we're testing, right? Just hold it.
Yeah. Much better. It's a little hot at the back.
It's a
though.
lot hot at the back, isn't
I
it?
wonder if we, how do we adjust
Is that
that?
adjustable? There is much, much more flamage at the back than there is at the front.
Too yellow. I gotta turn. Come on. It looks pretty good, eh?
Yeah, it sure does.
A little bit of yellow in there, but I don't want to. I think that's good.
Oh,
They fit.
we intentionally chose this barbecue because of the cast aluminum bottom on it. A lot of barbecues are just made out of steel
It's not sitting right.
and they will not stand the test of time. So we intentionally chose cast aluminum.
Well, I think they're too big. I think we have to bend those things a little bit.
What things?
These little tabs here. Because they're not sitting on the little... I'll show you in a second.
As long as they're not jiggling around, right?
Yeah, like this one I've got in here. It's not going anywhere, right? But I'm wondering. Yeah, I don't know.
Just bend the one side?
I'm gonna try, but I think I gotta bend the front too. Just a hair. Nothing to do about that. Throw our dirty old racks on. Oh. Need to be burnt off. There. Dirty.
Well,
But the guts are good.
Yep, good for another 5 years.
Oh, longer than that, I would hope. Maybe another 7 or 8, I guess. Who knows? Just gotta. Now we gotta clean it again. Clean the racks, and then it'll be back to cooking outside. What a mess we made.
So before I end this video, I want to go out to the garden here and take a look at the lettuce that I sowed the day before yesterday. It comes up pretty quick. Well, some of the varieties come up really fast. So we're just gonna have a look. I think oh yeah, there's a bunch. You can see them. Little tiny green shoots coming up. Lots and lots of lettuces. You don't want to leave the burlap on for too long because then you'll burn them when the sun gets on them. So I think we're just got them just at the right time. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like, and we'll see you on the next one.